Running a supply chain today isn't just about moving products, it's about syncing people, processes, and data in real time. Manual tracking, disconnected systems, and last-minute surprises can turn your supply chain into a stress chain. But what if everything was connected and automated? Yes, it's possible. Meet Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM, your end-to-end supply chain solution. Dynamics 365 CRM is a modern, cloud-based CRM that helps your organization streamline planning, production, inventory, warehouse, and transportation to maximize operational efficiency. With real-time insights and automation, Dynamics 365 CRM transforms your insights into strategic action. Have you ever struggled with managing your inventory? With Dynamics 365, it's a seamless job. You get real-time tracking and AI-driven demand forecasting, so you can stock smarter, not harder. In the logistics business, late deliveries mean lost trust. And that's where Dynamics 365 CRM saves your reputation. It optimizes routes, predicts delays, and automates scheduling, keeping your shipments on track and your customers happy. The world is powered by AI and automation, and manual workflows slow everything down. Dynamics 365 CRM helps you automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your team to focus on what really matters. Your business productivity also gets hampered if your systems aren't talking to each other, leading to a drop in the team's productivity. Dynamics 365 CRM brings everything, sales, inventory, procurement, into one connected platform, so everyone is on the same page. If you are missing shipments, it's likely due to a disorganized warehouse. Dynamics 365 CRM integrates smart warehouse automation, helping you pick, pack, and ship with precision. Businesses using Dynamics 365 CRM have seen real transformation and growth, in the form of faster order processing, fewer delays, and better collaboration across departments and suppliers. So, are you ready to future-proof your supply chain and transform it into a smart and connected process? Let Dynamics 365 drive your logistics forward.